In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WebTech in Firefox. First, we need to open Firefox Advanced Settings. To do this, navigate to the top of your browser window and locate the address bar. This is where you enter web addresses. Click on it to make sure it's active. Next, type in the text About Config and then press Enter on your keyboard. You will notice that the screen changes and you may see a warning message. This is normal since you are accessing advanced settings. It is crucial to understand that these settings can affect how Firefox operates, so proceed carefully. You will see an option that says Accept the risk and continue. Click on that. This will take you to the configuration page where all the advanced settings reside. Now that you have accessed the advanced settings, it's time to find the WebRTC setting. To do this, look for the search bar on the page. It's usually located at the top. Click on it and type in media.peer connection enabled. This setting controls WebRTC functionality. As you type, you will see the search results filter below. This is helpful because it allows you to quickly locate the specific setting you need. Once you see the entry for media.peer connection enabled, it means you are on the right track. This step is important because finding the correct setting is crucial to disabling WebRTC effectively. Next up, we will disable WebRTC. To do this, locate the setting media.peer connection enabled that you just found. You will need to double-click on it. This action will toggle the setting between enabled and disabled. When you double-click, you should see it change to false. This indicates that WebRTC is now disabled. Remember, disabling WebRTC can enhance your privacy and security while using Firefox. You are doing a great job by taking this step. With that change made, the final step is to restart Firefox. To do this, simply close the browser completely. You can do this by clicking the X in the top right corner of the window. After closing it, wait a moment and then reopen Firefox. This is essential because it allows the settings you changed to fully apply. Once you reopen the browser, you can be assured that WebRTC is now disabled. This means your browsing sessions will be more private and secure. By following these steps diligently, you have successfully disabled WebRTC in Firefox. This adjustment is a small but significant step toward enhancing your online privacy. If you have any questions, feel free to revisit any of the steps presented. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.